Jackson. Tummy time. Say hi. That's cute. Look at him.
Ooh, what is that? Is this a hammer? Is this your hammer?
That's cute.
You're gonna have to pay people to swing a hammer at your place. You won't swing one if you go to college.
Donald.
But your dad will get you a toolbox.
Aw.
Yeah. Wow. Oh,
Oh, bless you.
nice you did. You take tummy time?
That's so cute.
I'm so amazed.
Aw.
Look at all this.
Look at all
Look
this.
at all that.
It's tummy time.
You're good.
Yeah. Say, I passed my hearing screening. Look at Daddy. First time he's ever held a hammer. Look at him. Aw.